Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful thing you can ever do in your life. Invest in yourself. Yes, you heard it right. We often think about investing in gold, property, or the share market, but we rarely think about investing in the most valuable asset we have, our soul. When you invest in yourself, you are not just improving your skill or knowledge, you are improving your entire future. The truth is, no one can take your skill, your mindset, or your knowledge away from you. These are your real asset, and they will always give you return no matter what happens in your life. Think about these people spend thousands of rupees on expensive clothes, phone and parties, but hesitate to spend even a small amount on a book, a course or a seminar that could change their life. Why? Because we are taught to value things we can see, but not the thing that make us better from the inside. Let me tell you something, my friend. The best investment you can make is in your mindset, skill and health. Let's talk about each of these one by one. First, let's talk about mindset. Your mindset decide how far you will go in life. If you have a poor mindset, even if you get a good opportunity, you will lose it. But if you have a growth mindset, even if life give you nothing, you will create opportunity for yourself. So start reading book that change thinking, listen a motivational podcast, watch educational videos and surround yourself with positive people. Learn to believe in yourself and never stop improving, because once your mind grows, you can never go back to being small again. Next comes skill. No matter what your background is, student, employee, or businessman, your skill decide your value in the market. If you want to earn more, you must learn more. It's simple. If you are a student, learn communication, English, and computer skill. If you are an employee, upgrade your professional skill, learn Excel, marketing, or leadership. And if you are a business person, learn management, sales, or digital marketing. Remember, every new skill you learn added a new income source to your life. So never stop learning. Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Now let's talk about health, because what's the use of success if your body is weak? Investing in your health means eating right, sleeping well, and exercise daily. You cannot achieve your dreams if you are tired, sick, or mentally stressed. Take care of your physical and mental health. Do yoga, meditate, or just go for a walk in a nature. When your body and mind are strong, you can handle any problem in life with calm and confidence. Another very important thing is time. Your time is your most previous investment. How you spend your 24 hours decide your future. If you waste your time scrolling through social media, gossip or complaining, you are losing your budget wealth. So start using your time wisely. Give at least 1 hour every day to improve yourself. Read something new, practice a skill, or reflect on your goals. Even a small effort every day compound over time and give huge result in the future. Also remember one more thing, investing in yourself does not always means money. Sometimes it means saying no to distraction, negative people and bad habit. It means giving yourself the time and focus to become a better version of who you are today. Friends, success does not happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistent self improvement. But the good news is, when you invest in yourself, you are building a foundation that no one can destroy. The knowledge you gain, the discipline you build, and the confidence you develop, these things will serve you for a lifetime. So, from today, promise yourself that you will start investing in yourself. Read books that inspire you, learn something new every week, improve your communication, take care of your health, and most important, believe that you are worth investing in. Remember, no one is coming to save you or make you successful. You are your biggest project. The more you work on yourself, the more valuable you become, not just for other, but for your own dreams and goals. So, friend, start today, because the best investment you can ever make is not in gold, not in real estate, not in the share market, but in yourself. The return on the investment will last a lifetime. Thank you so much for watching this blog. If you like this message, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such motivational videos. And always remember, invest in yourself, because you are your biggest asset.